Muna dyan.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honor to have you with us today. We've landed at Seoul International Airport.
Touchdown! Ang init! Hi guys! Hello! Sobrang lamig dito sa Nami. Imagine niyo na lang. Namig, sir. Imagine niyo na lang spring na ngayon.
Namig.
Kunwari di kami nilalamig. So ngayon, we're going back kasi magka-lunch na. Lamig! Lagi kaming pang-una. So nandito na kami sa Petit France.
I see the dawn of a new beginning. This time we can't go home.
Ay, ang pogi naman ito.
I hear the streets of tomorrow calling. I go where you go. the midnight hour. You said to me, we are of a different kind.
Okay, so nandito tayo sa hotel. Checking in lang. Pagpasok, cabinet here. CR. May bathtub pa. Yung parang mirror dito. Hello. And then, bed. Have a TV. And the vanity. And then the view. Yeah. So we're going out. And this is the fit. Kasi it's so lamig. Hello. And the girls. There, ay, passionista.
Don't wait until it's gone, 'cause we belong to something. We belong to something. We belong to something.
Okay, so dito tayo nakakita. What's this? I don't know kung ano yan. Barbecue. Love, come on. Uy, sarap. Excited na akong magkain. Uy, ang bango. Okay, let's eat. Go get na. Mayo. Konti lang naman siya eh. Ay, we? My gosh, oh my. Diba?
Ilalim niya. Soup? Ba't tayo dyan iglahat? Ito ba talaga dyan, sir?
Nache.
Parang ano, kimchi? Ay, ano?
Thank
kimchi.
you. Second batch.
Ayun dati.
Ini-steam. Tama, no? Ito may tagaluto. Po? Ano pa?
Kanin?
Dalawa na. Done with dinner. Sarap ng dalawang kanin. Ayun na sila. Okay, let's buy strawberry. Love, hold mo. All the strawberries. So can I get one now? Let's try Tanghulu strawberry. Okay, let's try the Tanghulu strawberry. Tamis yung strawberry. Lang yun. Okay, good morning guys. It's our second day here in Seoul. I love. So we are now here in Everland.
The Ebengland.
Ebengland. Cute. Kahit di naman ako mag-rides, magpipicture na lang kaming dalawa. Kasi hindi naman
Di rin naman ako mag-rides.
Oh, alam ko hindi ka sumasakay sa Disneyland, hindi ka sumakay.
Again.
Light lang yung sudden drop natin sa Thailand. Matindi. Grabe to, no?
Yung pinaka ano.
Top.
Mahal ko mabuhay ko.
Okay, let's now have lunch. This is sweet potato.
이렇게 전국을 보내니까 한국
Okay. Digri, drum roll. Wow.
Thank you. So cute. Sobrang cute. Sobrang cute. Hello guys, good morning. So get dressed with me. Laki na ng tiyan. Naka-heat tech na ako. Ito yung suotin nating skirt. Yes. Ayan, ganyan na lang. Kala ko ikaw to katabi ko. Nagpansit. Sabi ko, nagpansit. Thank you. Hi guys. So it's our third day. Tara kami. Sisi, tab kami. Machi. So, today, magsi-city tour kami. See you sa city tour. Bye! Evening time. Kami muna. Looking for lunch. I don't know, Papang, what is that? Ang daming pagkain, sobrang hirap pumili. Wow. Tay, nasan ka?
Ano yan?
Yes.
Hindi ganyan din.
Solid. Thank you. Okay, dragon fruit and thank you. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Sarap. So good. Wow! Wow! Very high! Ano kasi kanina mo eh. Kita tas i-video mo. Diyan boy.
Ganda naman ibang. Jangjum.
Hello.
Magkakapakat pa kayo.
Perks of being preggy. Nag-elevator.
문이 열립니다.
Nananan tayo. Ano ba yun? Order mo lang. Kakaiba tayo.
It's not supposed to be spicy, but it's still
Anything.
Red.
Red, para ano, heart.
This one. Let's buy Love Lock. Watch here. Ay, yeah. So,
Sulat. Allen Eben. Kochi. Okay. Have Love Lock. Come on, love. Saan natin ito pwede ilagay? Kita yung sa akin. The view.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Han River. Ang ganda. Mas maganda to kung sunset.
Heavy on your heart, heavy on your mind. Wandering the streets tonight. If you're looking for a home, you are not alone. I can be your guiding light. 'Cause I promise you, I'm a dreamer too. Heavy on my heart, wandering the streets tonight. When it all counts for something, and your pocket's full of nothing, let's get high on believing. I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too.
Okay, we're just gonna get breakfast.
Yeah.
Dalawa na lang kami ngayon kasi tulog pa yung dalawa. Antok pa.
Nagising mo po eh.
Ako 3 AM eh. Tapos, natulog ako. Nagising naman ako 5 AM. Parang ang tagal ko na natutulog. Ganun. Hello. It's just me and Lover. Hello, dito ka hindi ka kita. Fit check. Hindi tayo kita. Gray. Asa ka ba? Gonna wait for you ulit.
Tama.
Hello. Finally.
Cold.
Okay, lalabas na kami. And here's the fit. Let's go. Check mo. Hi guys. So ngayon, naglalakad lang kami. Punta kami sa Daiso at kung saan man kami makarating. Maglalakad lang kami. Bilang malapit lang siya sa hotel. This is a 12th floor store. Oh my gosh, so cute. Ah, it's for kids. Ah, mga stuffed toy. So cute. Come on. Kila Pochi, dog treat.
Together, always and forever. Let's get high, believe it. I can promise you, yes, I am a dream too.
Okay guys, it's so cold. Nagintay na lang kami ng Grab. Ay, ano ba Grab? Nagintay na lang kami ng taxi going to Sogong Ro. Saan na siya? 37 what, love? Grabe yung dry ng lips ko. Oh my goodness. Taxi siya. Diba? Saan na siya banda? Ah, so tatawid pa siya. It's so cold. This is not story. Love story.
Cold story.
So tayo is nasa Myeongdong 2 Hill. And then pupunta tayong Sogong Ro 4 Hill. Excited na ako. Ito na.
Ay, punto.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Nandito na ako.
Yung meron dyan.
Yung bahay ni Limin. Oh no, teka lang. Yung puso ko. Oh, teka, relax ka lang, be. Ito yung bahay ni Junje. Walang tao. Babalik na kami sa hotel kasi tapos na kami kay Limino.
Makakakait ba yun sila, ma'am?
Happy na ang puso ni Inday! Taran! Ayun siya. Hajunje! Hajunje! Okay, let's go. Where's my phone? Maglalakad na lang kami pababa kasi sobrang lapit lang niya sa hotel.
Yes.
명동.
Yondong.
Yeah.
Cathedral. Love. Yung daan. Ayun o. Ko alam eh.
Love! Tagalog. Luto ka muna dyan. This is our dinner. Come on. Aya, it's raining. Bye, SK. Yeah. Yung labi ko sakit.
You can try to